Hey there. So more on the condo conversation that's been quite the talk of the industry. I gave you some information here. Here's some highlights, and you will always have the opportunity to go visit the link that will be in this at the beginning of this video that will take you to the conversation topic of the lender letter, the bulletin that was put out by Freddie Mac on this, the changes that they will be implementing. But what it really does amount to, several changes, some major changes. I spoke before about the elimination of the 50% non-owner occupied factor, so that's beautiful. You can go pull your old files and maybe resurrect a couple buyers from there, a couple sellers from there. There's also going to be some changes to the insurance aspect of things, so replacement cost versus actual cash value. So there could be a downward revision of homeowners insurance premiums, and there are a lot more. So check out the link here, and hopefully you'll be able to get the information that you need. If not, please reach out, 909-435-9780, Marvin Hudson, Viewpoint Financial. All right, have a great weekend.